Hi guys, mkoaje? I hope you're doing okay. So I was going to Bingo Beach, but first things first, do the gang. Lazima tuende tucheze na mfuko, we save some coins. Yes, so nilikuwa hapo hivyo kwa Nduthi and I could not record everything because now the roads to the destination were so rough and bumpy. Hapa tulikuwa bado Tao, but now the roads, hey, nikajembe, I wish ningechukua cab, but now barabara ni safe, so yo, I was so hungry. So I was seated there for some good time, by the way. No one was coming to me. I let's just assume maybe ni vile watu walikuwa wamejaa, but customer service had give them a 5. So I had to go and look for a waiter. Finally, our long awaited guest is here. Yay! I was so hungry. Oh my God. So I wanted dry fry beef na kaugali. I wanted to eat first ndo ni record, of course, because I was so hungry. So now, before anything, just look at the view. These are the views that I live for. Oh my God. Look at the view. Oh my God. And now the fun fact, the highlight of it all, like this place is like let me say a romantic beach. Like you see those rituals whereby it's not like a ritual, but it's, I don't know how to call it. But now you lock a padlock with your loved one or your friend, and then now you throw the key. Komaji. You can do that at this place. Oh my God, that was the highlight of it all. I've been seeing that. I was seeing that kwa social media, but now I found a place that actually happens. You can literally see the padlocks. You can lock your love with your loved one or your friend.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
I was having a very good time, and now this guy comes to me and tells me that they're having games. They want to play games. Yeah, so he was explaining to me how to play the game. And now the fun fact is like you can literally win. You can play and now you can literally win. You understand? Yeah, so ilikuwa tu like you have to mark some numbers. They're going to say the numbers huko. Now you mark the numbers. Ukipata the numbers that they have said vertically or horizontally, yeah, you get an award. Yeah. So it was getting late and I think nilikuwa tu ina get late, but I wanted to try. I'd really love to go back there and experience this again, to try the activities. Now I tried. I was given the kanini kakaratasi, and now I tried. The game started. That is what was happening here. So fast forward, games zimeisha, I did not win. Ningewin, ningeweka hapa, obviously. So now, these guys were fishing hapo kando. And now, they brought us this samaki. I have never seen a live fish, you understand? Oh my God, look at that. It was breathing. I have never seen this. Oh my God. It was so beautiful. Like it was actually breathing.